Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to start a profitable Zobo drink business. Do you know that you can make up to 20 to 30,000 naira weekly from the Zobo drink business? If you're interested, watch till the end. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to start up a profitable Zobo drink business. If you're looking for a business that is profitable, scalable, and that is in high demand, then you should consider starting up a Zobo drink business because Zobo drink business is highly profitable. In this video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to start up a profitable Zobo drink business. Number one step before going into Zobo drink business is you need to get proper training. It is very important that you get proper training by a Zobo drink vendor because it will give you an edge over other people that are not trained. It will open your eyes to the strategies and possibilities of making money from the Zobo drink business. It will also help you to eliminate trial and error because whenever you have challenges, you can always go back to your trainer, your coach, and ask him or her a question, and she will respond to you and give you answers. The reason why I said so is because in 2022 I was working and I needed extra source of income because my salary was not enough. So I thought of starting a Zobo drink business. Then I got trained by a vendor. So the training opened me up to the possibilities of making money in the Zobo drink business. The training opened my eyes to know different audiences and how to meet their needs. The training enabled me to know how to preserve Zobo, how to make Zobo, how to preserve Zobo, different flavor, the Zobo drinks that is sellable, and how to preserve Zobo drinks. So that was the benefit of the training. It also opened me up to the possibilities of knowing how to sell, where to sell, and different ways of selling out my Zobo drink very fast. The next point on my list is target audience. It is very important before going into the Zobo drink business for you to know your target audience and what they want. Different target audience with different desire. It is very, very important before going into sober drink business that you know your target audience. The next point on my list is where to source. It is very important before going into sober drink business that you know where to source your raw materials at a very cheaper and affordable price. I have a masterclass coming up where I'll be teaching you everything you need to know about Zobo drink business, from production to how to preserve your Zobo drink to how to sell out your Zobo drink. If you're interested, click the link in the description box to join my Zobo drink masterclass. The next point on my list is packaging and branding. It is very important that you package and brand your Zobo drinks very well. That is also the benefits of the training because it opens up your eyes to the different packaging and how to package your Zobo drinks very well in order to attract customers. This training is going to be opening your eyes on how to get rich customers, how to sell out your Zobo drinks very fast. The next that takes me to the next point. The next point on my list is how to sell. It is very important that you know how to sell, who to sell to, where to sell. Before even going into Zobo drink business, it is very important to know who to sell to and how to sell out your Zobo drink very fast. I have a master class coming up where I will be opening your eyes to the possibilities of making money from the Zobo drink business. If you're interested, I'll be teaching you from how to produce Zobo drink to how to preserve your Zobo drink to how to sell out your Zobo drink very fast. And I'll also be teaching you how to make stickers and logos for your brand. If you're interested, click the link in the description of this video to join my master class. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.